love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. In today's lecture, we'll be seeing about Booleans and operators. So this will be like in one lecture. Booleans, we all know, it is, whether it is true or false. And let's see what we're actually covering in Booleans and operators. This is a one-part lecture. Okay, so let's take a deep dive. Thank you. So today, after a long time, there has been like 4 string lectures: string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4. And after practicing, you would have actually known, like, I was not like, just wasting your time. And it had its own breadth and depth. So in today's lecture, we'll be covering 2 concepts. One is the Boolean and the other is the operation. So what is the Boolean? Okay, so the true or false is the Boolean, right? Okay, so that is what we have all learned as Boolean since our arithmetic days. Okay, so the Boolean is like that. And then, like, so other than that, like, let's actually see what is there, and then we are going to see, like, what kind of operations are there. All right, like always, let's actually take this and and then, like, make our hands dirty. So this is, as you know, is a greater than and the equal to sign, which also comes in the operation part. The equal to that we always say it is equal to in the computer language, and this is the lesser. Okay, so let's actually take this and let's actually see how everything actually works. All right, so here we are, and this is what it is. If we actually run this, since, like, we are not giving anything, it is actually saying, like, it is an invalid character. So that is okay. That is perfectly okay. Okay, so what I'm actually saying here is, let's actually take this and let's actually try to say what this thing gives, and let's see what answer comes here. So the Boolean of hello, it actually says true. So as I said, the Boolean is nothing but true or false. Okay, so we have to say like this. All right, so let's actually take this and let's actually see what answer this gives. Well, this is definitely there's a syntax error. Now let's see what actually happens here. Here, if you see, this is a string which is actually coming here, and this becomes an integer. So this part we know because we've actually gone over all these things, right? So it says there's a syntax error, and it says there's a syntax error here, but let's actually see what it actually does here. Okay, and I do let's actually see, like, let's actually take this and let's actually say it is again a syntax error. So it says, like, in line 1, and what is it so, and why is it so? Now let's actually, what we will do is, this one, it actually said hello, but since we say, like, when we're actually printing this, it is actually telling this is a syntax error. Okay, but if I say, like, print Boolean of hello, it actually gives me true. Okay, whereas if I actually put it like this, it actually says me an error. So let me actually take this as an integer. If I take this as an integer, and if I take this as a Boolean, and if I actually say give me this, and let's see what comes. Again, this is a syntax error because non-printable characters, we, instead of telling that, we can say, like, Boolean of hello, Boolean of 15, as compared to this, which will always give a syntax error. All right, now let's actually move forward. So basic thing of Boolean is it's whether it's a true or a false. Okay, that is all you have to know. So in the Python programming, what are all the operators? The operators are, you have arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and bitwise. So let's see what is what, and let's actually keep our hands dirty. So addition, we all know, a plus b. Subtraction, a minus b. Multiplication, a into b. Division, a slash forward slash or backward slash b. Modulus is like, where the remainder is actually given. So this is the modulus. An exponential is like, double asterisk. A floor division is x, slash slash y. So let's actually see. So this is how the examples are of the operator, and equal to is like this, and if you say plus equals, it's equal to like this. So we will be trying, okay, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to. As I always say, the more you practice, the more you'll actually get. But in this lecture, we will still be practicing. All right, so let's actually see. So let's actually take this, and let's actually go here. I will copy this, and if you see here, this is an integer, this is an integer, and this is like this. So this is like easy, right? Just plain mathematics, right? Let's see. So this is giving me 8. So what I will do is I will take this, I will put this, and instead of multiplication I will say subtraction. So this is 2, and I will actually do this, and this is like division. So this is 1.66. okay, and let's actually multiplication. Let's actually try multiplication. So just think 15, and let's actually go. So this part we did. Let's actually see what this operand is. Okay, let's actually see this. See the same thing here, which is a 5 divided by 3, which gave you all this thing, whereas this one is a remainder. Okay, so what it actually does is 5 divided by 3, so 1 times 3, and the remainder is 2, so that is what this gives, and this is called the modulus operation. Okay, so that is what it is. All right, so let's see what the exponential is. Yeah, and let's see what the exponential is. I will take the same thing. So for the exponential, and let's actually see this. So 5 times 3, so which is 5 times 5 times 5, so which is 25 times 5, which is 125. That is exactly what it is actually given. Now let's see this floor operation. So this is 1. Okay, so this is what the maximum operation is. Okay, and then let's actually, okay, this is all like the integer, but if you want we can still try this. Okay, so let me actually see. Okay, let me actually show you. Okay, we can try this. The print text is this. Let's actually try one after the other. So here, look here, x is equals 5. Okay, so this variable has been initiated here. In this area, I'm telling x, which is this 5, plus equals this. So which means I'm also taking this 5. So that is why this is giving me 8. So instead of telling x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and print x plus y, I can do it in this manner also. So this is another trick to learn. So this we all know what it will be. It will be 2. But let's actually try. This is the same thing. It's 5 times 3. Okay. Same, everything is the same. We already tried. So maybe we'll take this, and then we'll take one more command, and let's actually move. See here, this is 5 divided, so that 1.6. See the same thing. So this is like that 125. 125. So the and or not is something like, we actually so this is like the and or not. This is a 5 divided by 3. So what we say is if this is greater, and then like, it is 0 because it is greater. Alright, so as I said, these are the things. So just see how this is actually working. Okay, so if you can actually like, or I think the first 5 commands or 6, 7 commands is quite easy. So just actually like, work with from the and. So just understand how it actually works. It is all simple. And then like, as I said, like, right now I'm not thinking where it is going to be used, but we will actually use it whenever it actually comes, and then we already practiced. Okay, so once again, if you have any questions or concerns, you know where to contact me, and I'll be very happy to receive your comments and suggestions, and always do appreciate you watching my video. Till we see next time, thank you, take care. Next time it will be a new lecture. Thank you. Namaste friends, I trust you would have actually watched my Booleans and operators, and if you have any questions, you know whom to contact and where to contact. Like always, I would like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and other is my wife Jayashree for being very supportive of my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers.